Hello everyone. Welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Bomberman. Let's start with the head first. Draw a square with smooth edges. Draw another outer square. Draw a horizontal and vertical lines to mark center. Draw eyes. Draw a new shape below head for the body. Draw a belt. Draw hands. Draw a bomb. Draw legs. Draw antenna on the head. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.